Yeah. Worldwide way. From the city to the coast. Love going global. Let's get it.
Met her in Miami, heart heat alive. Talking big dreams on the pink sky. She said you east or west, I said I'm both. Cause my love run deep, that's coast to coast. Late night combos, playlists, drives. Every text from her becomes alive. We both got scars, but the past don't stay. Now it's you and me, building our own way.
We vibing higher, no chains, no fear. Two new lovers,
worldwide flame, yeah, we burning loud. Love so real, can't fade in the crowd.
From New York nights to LA rain, we the trend that the charts can't contain. Worldwide flame, worldwide flame.
Baby, no restraint, heart to heart, no ghost, no change. They see us blowing up, it's that duo heat. From TikTok trends to the city streets. Not a fling, it's legacy and art. Every verse I drop got a name in a heart. We the sound that the culture need. Mixing love and bars, that's the creed. From ATLBs to Chi-Town Soul, we link every coast, we hold.
We don't chase fame, we chase feel. Every kiss, every word is real. Our rhythms talk louder than deals. That's love they can't conceal.
Worldwide flame, yeah, we burning loud. Love so real, can't fade in the crowd.
From New York nights to LA rain, we the trend that the charts can't contain. Worldwide flame, worldwide flame.
Baby, no restraint, heart to heart, no ghost, no chain. Yeah. Love's a genre they can't define. Two souls, one mic, that's the line. From the east to the west, we climb. Worldwide flame, timeless rhyme.